Although Haiti had originally ruled the entire island, it lost any ability to demand financial assistance from the Dominican Republic after losing the war. Haiti's struggles didn't end with losing Santo Domingo. While the Dominican Republic built European ties, Haiti faced isolation. But its greatest burden came next. Foreign powers made sure freedom came at a devastating cost. Haiti's fight for freedom didn't end in 1804. The moment it declared independence, the world turned its back. Instead of being welcomed as a symbol of liberation, Haiti was punished. The biggest blow came from France, which refused to accept the loss of its richest colony. In 1825, King Charles of France made a ruthless demand. Haiti would have to pay 150 million francs in reparations as compensation for the loss of enslaved people and plantations. If Haiti refused, France threatened to invade and re-enslave the population. Haiti had no real choice. To avoid war, President Jean-Pierre Boyer agreed to the payment, believing it was the only way to secure Haiti's sovereignty. But the cost was staggering. Haiti had to borrow from French banks just to make the payments, plunging the nation into crippling debt that took over a century to repay. While other newly independent nations were investing in education, infrastructure, and development, Haiti was trapped in a financial stranglehold. But France wasn't the only one isolating Haiti. The United States, Britain, and Spain all refused to recognize the new Black Republic, fearing that Haiti's revolution would inspire enslaved people in their own territories. Meanwhile, international trade restrictions cut Haiti off from global markets, making it even harder for the country to build a strong economy. The long-term effects of this economic isolation were devastating. While European nations expanded their economies, Haiti struggled to survive. Even after slavery was abolished in other parts of the world, Haiti was still treated as an outcast. Foreign banks controlled Haiti's finances, leaving little room for economic growth. By the time the debt was finally repaid in 1947, Haiti had lost generations of progress. Haiti's independence did not mean it was free from foreign control. The country may have broken its chains in 1804, but outside powers never stopped interfering. The most direct and long-lasting intervention came from the United States, which occupied Haiti from 1915 to 1934. Under the excuse of preventing instability, U.S. troops invaded the country, disbanded the Haitian government, and took over its finances, military, and economy. During the occupation, Haiti's national bank was placed under U.S. control, meaning that Haitian money was no longer managed by Haitians. American companies took over land, businesses, and agricultural production, using Haiti as a source of cheap labor. Forced labor laws were put in place, essentially reintroducing slavery under a different name. Even after the occupation ended in 1934, Haiti never regained full control of its economy. The U.S. handpicked leaders to protect American interests rather than the Haitian people. Each time Haiti tried to build its own path, outside powers stepped in. Sometimes in the name of democracy, sometimes in the name of stability, but always with their own interests first. Haiti's struggles are often blamed on bad leadership, but no leader has ruled Haiti without the shadow of foreign influence looming over them. The country has been used, occupied, and manipulated for over 2 centuries. Haiti has never had a chance to build long-term stability.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.